all, I would like to thank for your present at this moment to our event with the title Solving the Infertility Problem in Married Couple and Routinely Collective Perinatal Data to Improve Care of Fetal Growth Restriction. Organized by Sebalas Maret University Grant Fund with the World Class University Program with sponsorship from Sebalas Maret University and LPDP, and also supported by international cooperation which currently today with Monash University.
I would also like to take this opportunity to thank everyone involved in organizing this event. Your hard work and dedication have made this lecture possible, and we are grateful for your efforts.
Monash University is very high-level university. Thank you very much. And we hope that this seminar and workshop participants will increase their understanding and knowledge of infertility and IUGR, etc. IUGR, and medical faculty, especially in residents and also young doctor, will improve the international publication collaboration as well as international collaboration between the two institutions.
If you wait too long, in fact, it can have a negative effect on the storage of sperm in the epidermis. Could vasectomy be the cause? No, because he would produce semen. Could these results suggest obstructive azoospermia? In other words, a blockage in the tract?
Even just losing 5% weight can lead to natural conception. 17% of women trying for a baby will end up getting a baby through art. Expensive baby.
This includes all stillbirths, live births, babies that end up being neonatal deaths, and includes terminations of pregnancy after 20 weeks as well.
Medically, economics, social can be affect them. Like medical, yes, they may need to go to doctors, check with why they can't get pregnant, and it'll cost them. Visit doctors, I call it not free, even though covered by universal health coverage.
Alhamdulillah sudah berjalan pada acara WCU kerjasama FK1S dengan Monash University, di mana ada beberapa maksud tujuan. Bagaimana sebetulnya kita tahu bahwa kasus-kasus untuk infertilitas ini membutuhkan penanganan yang lebih baik, kerjasama yang lebih baik dalam hal penelitian, kemudian juga bagaimana kita bisa kasus-kasus ini dijadikan suatu penelitian yang nantinya bisa publish antara Monash dengan FK1S, kemudian juga kita juga menjalin kerjasama yang sangat erat dengan Monash University sehingga penelitian-penelitian kita, kemudian juga kasus-kasus kita bisa ditangani dengan optimal.
My colleague Marianne is going to take a more practical approach and actually talk in more specific terms about research and research activities.
And we collect from 20 weeks onwards, but you need to think what's reasonable for you to be able to collect here. We ask for the volume of postpartum blood loss rather than whether it's a PPH.
what we've learned is a collaboration between OBGYN and pediatrics, and it is really important to know about how IUGR is affected from when the baby is in the womb until birth.
Thanks for the opportunity. I think it's been really useful. I look forward to future interaction with the university.